Creating a business with air-blown outdoor cinema projection screens ******** transform open spaces into memorable experiences ****** imagine converting an ordinary backyard, school field, or park into a magical outdoor cinema. Picture families gathering under the stars, children laughing, friends sharing popcorn, while a giant screen lights up the night sky. This is the unforgettable experience an air-blown outdoor cinema projection screen business can provide, something people are excited to pay for. This venture focuses on renting inflatable projection screens, projectors, and sound systems for those seeking unique movie nights and outdoor events. The idea is simple, in high demand, and flexible enough for birthdays, schools, churches, corporate functions, weddings, festivals, and community gatherings. The true allure of this business lies not in selling equipment, but in creating cherished memories. What this business provides an air-blown cinema screen inflates in just a few minutes, creating an impressive visual spectacle. When complemented by a powerful projector and excellent sound system, any open area transforms into a professional outdoor movie venue. Clients can host movie nights, sports events, presentations, or theme parties without needing to own their own gear. Your task is to provide a complete entertainment experience. A variety of inflatable cinema screens, high-brightness outdoor projectors, sound systems delivering crisp audio, media preparation and essential technical support, optional power solutions and extras. It's seamless entertainment, and clients appreciate the ease it provides. Equipment required to get started to kick off your business, you'll need inflatable projection screens, 10 foot, 16 foot, 20 feet, or larger sizes, projectors with a minimum brightness of 3000 plus ANSI lumens, portable PA sound systems, a laptop or media player, cables, stands, and extension cords, an electric blower for the inflatable screen, optional generator for outdoor settings, a transport vehicle or trailer. This equipment can be reused countless times, ensuring robust profit margins over time. Overview of startup costs, USD. Starting up can be surprisingly affordable. Inflatable screen, $400 to $2,000 plus projector, $300 to $3,000 plus sound system, $250 to $1,500 plus generator, optional, $200 to $1,200 accessories and amp, cables, $100 to $500 branding and amp, marketing, $100 to $800 insurance and amp, permits, $150 to $800 estimated startup costs. Right finger $1,500 to $7,500 plus based on quality and scale. Who benefits from this business? This service appeals to a wide and growing market. Families and individual clients, schools and universities, churches and youth organizations, event coordinators, corporate teams and brands, resorts, lodges, and holiday venues, community organizations and local governments. Outdoor entertainment has steady demand. Inflatable cinemas can operate throughout the year. Pricing and profit potential. Most businesses offer tiered packages to maximize earnings. Basic package, screen only, $80 to $150 per event. Standard package, screen plus projector, $150 to $300. Premium package, screen plus projector plus sound plus setup, $300 to $700 plus. Adding extras like generators, popcorn machines, seating, or hosting services can enhance each booking by $50 to $300. By securing just 2 to 3 bookings each weekend, this business can quickly recover startup costs.